Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Creating Passive Income. All right, check this out. It doesn't get any more easier than this. Three things you have to do, okay? Start on step one, and then go to step two, and then go to step three. Sign up to all three of them, okay? Once you have signed up, get back with me and tell me, hey, Julio, I already signed up. And then we're going to start creating, I'm gonna add you to a group where you can start seeing everybody what they're doing and all that kind of stuff. And not only that, you're gonna have me as your mentor, as your coach. Okay, I'm gonna help you out either way. But I highly recommend to get started at least with one of the three. And if you start with all three of them, even better. You know why? Because you're gonna start creating passive income from three different business models. Okay. Now, guys, that is it pretty much. It's simple. All you have to do, and once you do that, get back with me like I said, and then I'll help you get started, and we're gonna start bringing those leads, and then those leads will turn into sales. Okay. Now, I know if this must be saying, is this for experienced marketers or just a beginner? It doesn't matter. If you have a business but you're not having the results that you've been wanting to have, I highly recommend at least step one. Jump on step one. That's going to help you, okay? That's how you're going to create those leads, and then how you're going to turn those leads in sales. Best software ever. Number one. Go ahead and start on that one. At least that one. Now, if you're a beginner and you're like, well, I don't know how to make money online, it's even better. Look, start and do number one, number two, and number three. Make sure you get signed up, guys, to all three. Like I said, you know, if you get three different opportunities, you're creating money from three different business models. Why not? That's what I'm doing. Guys, that is it. I don't want to make it this video any longer. I appreciate for your time. Make sure you do me a favor. Check your spam folder. Check your email, your inbox, your spam. I don't know. Just make sure you get that email, okay? Because I've sent you an email because I'm going to try to keep up with you and try to kind of mentor and help you, guiding you through all this, okay? Welcome to Creating Passive Income, guys. Thank you. See you in the inside.